Non-accounting module assets and bill payments. If your account is not integrated with QuickBooks, that's okay, as the accounting suite allows you to pay and process vendor or utility bills. To learn how to do so, please watch this video. To access this screen, please go to Accounting Functions and then select Assets. To process multiple property bills to one vendor or utility company, click on Add Batch and then select the vendor or utility company. All the properties that have been assigned account information for the selected utility vendor will appear on the property list table. To assign a property to a utility vendor, select the desired property using the Property drop-down chooser, go to Owners and Homes, and then select MC Specific Property Details. To enter account information, specify the owner account category, type in account number under the item column, and then enter the account number that appears on the utility bill. And then specify the vendor or utility company. After filling out each column, click on Set Default. Remember, this screen is specific to the selected property. Now let's go back to processing multiple property bills. Again, that's Accounting Functions, and then select Assets. Select the vendor, and all relevant properties will appear in the Property List table. This list will show the property name, the account number that appears on the utility bill, the owner's account balance, and then the owner's name. Select the first property, and then enter the date you received the bill, the payment due date on the bill. If you would like to send it to the owner's account as a debit, check this box and specify the owner account statement date. The account number on the bill will appear here. Enter the invoice number. The invoice number is a description that will appear on the owner's statement. For example, you can enter the service dates that appear on the bill, and then enter the amount that appears on the bill. After completing each field, click on this arrow to move the bill over to the batch list. Repeat these steps for each property bill. If you would like to print a check, enter who the check is payable to, the check number, and then the memo. And then click on Print Check. The check template will then appear. The check is at the top, and then the to remittance stub in the middle and on the bottom. It shows the property, the utility account number, and the amount that applies to each account. To print the check, click on Print, and then specify the printer. You can also use this check template as a remittance stub to send to the vendor. After printing the check, a message will appear asking you if the check printed successfully. Go ahead and click Yes or No. Once you've printed out the check or the remittance stub, you can flag as paid and process to the owner's statement. Go ahead and click Yes to confirm.